know that thrill when you score a killer deal at a garage sale or snag a bulk lot from a collector? That rush is what keeps you hunting for the next big flip. But then reality hits. The boxes start piling up, your kitchen table turns into a photo studio, and your weekends disappear under a mountain of packing tape and shipping labels. Suddenly, flipping isn't just about finding value, it's about finding time. This is the flipper's dilemma. You're great at sourcing, but wearing every hat, listing, packing, shipping, messaging buyers, handling returns can burn you out fast. Maybe you've tried doing it all yourself, only to become the bottleneck in your own business. Or you've tried scaling up on eBay or Mercari, but the endless grind of photos, fees, and tire kickers leaves you exhausted. Hiring help too soon just adds more to your plate. And ignoring the growing pile? That's not flipping, that's hoarding. There's a better way. Lotstream is the back-end system that lets you focus on what you do best. Sourcing. You box up your finds, and Lotstream handles the rest. Live streaming to buyers, transparent inventory management, packaging and shipping, customer support, and fast payouts to you. No more packing peanuts, no more late-night buyer messages. Imagine reclaiming your weekends, scaling your flips, and turning your garage into a profit center. Ready to get out of your own way? Box it, we stream it, you get paid. Just Lotstream it.